So here I have my brand new Afinia L502 colour label printer. So let's have a look and see what's in the box. So first of all, more packaged. Let's remove that. Guessing this is the accessories box. So in here we have inks, head, some sample labels, cables, power. Oh, and this you'll need your Afinia USB key. On here contains all of your drivers, manuals, setup guide, quick setup guide, etc. So start with this, get it in your PC, let's get going. So I'm going to get this out the box now, and then I'll show you the rest of it. Thanks. Right, so once unboxed and out of its bag, here you can see the new Afinia L502. So I'm going to remove the shipping tape, he says. So in here's our waste ink pad. And then our new printer. So first of all, first impressions, full metal case. So a lot more robust in terms of build when compared to the previous L501. But fundamentally, at first look, everything else is pretty much as the 501 was in terms of layout and inks, etc. So a few more options on the keypad, but yeah, let's have a look and get it powered up. So the L502 comes with a really simple user guide, walkthrough, complete step by step. So I'm going to give this a go now and get printing. Right, so my printer's powered up. I've done the date, the time, so I just now need to install my inks. So I'm going to open these up, pop them in here. Right, be back in a mo. So powered up, date and time done. Once we've put inks in, so you can see we've got our inks. I've already installed the blue or the cyan. We have a bulk black ink. So really it's just a case now of getting our inks. Try and find the slot and just pushing them in. So making sure they're the right way up. Back. Once all inks are installed, just checking. Inks move back across inside. There we go. Genuine Afinia ink cartridge are installed. This is true. It's happy. So that will go through, initialize itself. You'll hear there. Just clearing any air. And away we go. So I'm just running through the installer now. So install the 502, install. That's probably going to ask me to connect via USB. So I'll go and collect my cable up. Right, so I've got this label I've designed just in Photoshop, 6x4 inches. So if I go to print this, got my 502 printer selected. I'm going to do sort of normal quality. It's a die cut label. I'm going to roll to cut, so it will cut afterwards. I can choose the amount of labels it will actually print before it cuts if I wanted. And everything looks good here. So if I choose just one copy, I hit print. Yeah, send it to the printer. So I should, my printer, yeah, it's now printing. It's kicking into life. Let's see what it does. My first label. So just clean the heads. Here we go. See more of me than you will the printhead in there. Should cut the label. And then there we have it. My first. Pretty simple one, but perfect.